On this first episode of The Clean Queen, we are turning this disgusting, unkept area into a coffee place where everyone can relax and enjoy. Okay, guys, I know this is a mess. Don't judge, but this is the area that I want to make into the coffee station because it's perfect. Like, it has enough space. I think will be the ultimate, yeah. It already has the coffee stuff over here. I just gotta clear it out, clean it. So let's go.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so it's cleared out now. These are the basic machines that will stay here. I'm just gonna, wipe down the machines. These are just blenders, coffee machine. That's also a coffee machine. And this is an electric water thingy, water heater, whatever you want to call it, for tea. This is just a basket of coffee stuff. So I'm gonna replace this basket. Well, I'm replacing everything. And here is some coffee. So I just need to wipe everything down. So that's the next thing.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so everything is now as clean as it's gonna get. There are some stains like this, but they have a very old house, so it is what it is. Now it is time to decorate. All right, so I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I bought that is gonna go in this area, hopefully. I got these coffee mugs. Most of the stuff came from TJ Maxx. So TJ Maxx, I hate how they put the stickers like right on the cup. I got these from Lowe's. These will be going under the cabinet because they don't have good lighting in this kitchen. So yeah, so I had to get this. I just got a couple of containers to put like the coffee, what's it called? The coffee filters in. I got a couple of containers to put the coffee filters in. This is also a coffee thing, but you can also use it for tea. Very cute. I got this mat. This is nice and neutral because their kitchen is like a brown color. I got this from Dollar General. It's supposed to be little coffee bean. It's supposed to be little coffee beans. It kind of looks like chocolate, but yeah, I got this. And then I got this. I don't know which one I'll use. I'll find a space for this though. But I think I'm leaning more towards this because it's gonna give it some color. I got this from Family Dollar. And then this little wooden shelf. I just thought it was cute, so I picked it up. So we're gonna hopefully use it. And just to put like sugar or whatever in these jars that I got from Amazon. Everything that I can, I will definitely link down below.
Deep
So I got somewhat of a placement. I'm just trying to see where all this is gonna go. I thought this would be a little bit bigger, but it's not. So not really sure. Maybe the cups. So this is a lot more work than I was expected. I'm like running out of space to put stuff. Maybe I bought too much stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna show you where I put the picture. I think I'm satisfied with it. The picture is very nice. So yeah, let's look at that. Okay, so I put it here, and I already put one of the lights underneath just so I can show you guys. And look, the lights do change colors. It comes with a remote. I haven't put the batteries in for the remote, but that looks very nice. I think, oh yes, this is aesthetic. Love it. I think if I place this here and then put another thing, this is monk fruit sugar, 0 calories. It's good for keto if you're on keto. Either I'm gonna put another one of these filled with something right there, or I could put this right here. I kind of love this setting. This is very, very nice. Okay, so I did fill this jar with stevia, so I think I can fit it in here, and it still look, oh no, I don't think it's gonna fit. Hold on, oh, there it goes. I don't think it looks too crowded. I think this is perfect. Now I just need to add the other light under there so it's not so dark, but this, I love it. Okay, so I didn't want to waste my money on this, so I stuck it like right here on the... Did y'all just see my picture, Paul? Well, okay, I can't stick it there. I gotta find somewhere else to put it because I spent like, what, $4 on it, so I gotta stick it somewhere. So the frame cracked, but it's okay because I know it's already cheap. I'm just going to glue it back together. But anyway, okay, so I got some more command strips to hang this up there. But yeah, I am done. And let me show you guys an overview.